Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching this video today. So I know it's been such a long time since I posted my last video. So in case if you haven't watched my last video, I will link it in the description box. Now in that video, it was a haul video. I did mention how I'm finding difficulty in filming a video because things have changed a lot around in my life, in my house, and somehow I'm finding difficult to film videos. So I will talk about that during the course of this video, because this video is kind of a chit chat, get ready with me, life update kind of video. I'm going to apply some makeup on my face. I think it's been a long time since I actually did a full face of makeup. Sometimes I feel like I've forgotten how to wear makeup, and I have bought a lot of things over the past 3 to 4 months, but somehow because I do not get a chance to film videos, or now because of COVID and we cannot go outside, so there is no way that I would apply a full face of makeup. मतलब गर्मी तो बहुत हो रही है, बिल्कुल गंदी वाली गर्मी हो रही है, and I'm actually filming with the AC on, so thank God for that. But if I have to wear makeup and go out, it makes no sense. So that's probably the reason why I've not been able to use my makeup, apply it, or whatever. So I thought, why not go ahead and film a video where I talk about what's happening, and try and film more videos now for the future and let you know what's happening. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like beauty and lifestyle related content, please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Also, next to the subscribe button there is a bell icon. If you click on that, if you select all, each time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Alright friends, so I'm going to start with the makeup look right away. Honestly, I don't know what kind of makeup look I'm going to do, but I want to apply makeup like I said at the start of this video. So like always, I have moisturized my face. I have used baby oil. Now recently, from past 2 to 3 days, I feel like the weather has changed in Bombay. थोड़ा गर्मी कम हो रहा है, but फिर भी गर्मी है. But my skin is kind of getting dry, so I think baby oil works best for me. So if you want to replicate this makeup look, then you can definitely use any moisturizer that you like. Now like always, I start off with eye makeup, so that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm using this NY Becca concealer stick, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids because there is a lot of pigmentation, as you can see. So while I'm applying that, I just wanted to say that I'm shooting with a ring light. Yes, finally I got a new tripod and I got like a new ring light, so I think the video quality is going to be really nice. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. And if you've been watching my videos like way back from 2017 and 18, you all will remember this background, which is the wardrobe. And I think I kind of remember the videos that I was doing in the past. So like I mentioned previously, that things have changed a lot around here. I think until June everything was fine, but then my brother, who used to work abroad, has been transferred to Bombay. So obviously now he is living with us, and so is his wife, which is my sister-in-law. So the places that I usually used to film, I'm not able to do that. So that's the reason why it has taken a long time. They also came with all their stuff from abroad, so सब कुछ set करने में काफ़ी टाइम लग गया है. इनफैक्ट वी आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू गेट वर्क डन. सो एंड currently there is work going on in my house, in my room, because there is going to be an AC fitted there, and the ceiling is kind of wobbly, so we are getting that fixed. So that's the reason why I have not had a chance to film videos, and it doesn't make sense, like I keep on filming without making any sense. Like I haven't done that on my channel whatsoever. So that's the reason why I have had a very little time to think about filming videos, although I miss filming videos, and I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but for now I'm trying my best to stay updated. Okay, so I did apply powder, I did apply concealer. Now I'm just going to use this palette I have now. This one is from this brand called what is the name, BOUB. I think I got this from Beauty Center. So I'm going to use a combination of these two colors, and I'm going to place it in my crease. I literally feel funny while making this video because I haven't applied makeup like in a hot minute. So I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to take it a little bit inside. This palette is really nice. I think I paid 200 or 220 rupees, and I got it like 2 years back. I think it was Women's Day, and I had gone out there, and I guess since that time I haven't visited Beauty Center. I really miss it. But currently the situation is such that we cannot travel by a local train until and unless we are completely vaccinated. So I got my first vaccination after a lot of struggle. In fact, I was searching for a free slot, but I couldn't get it, so I had to pay for my vaccination, and I finally got it done. So my next schedule for the vaccination would be in December. So it unnecessarily got delayed and I'm really mad about it, but I guess कुछ कर नहीं सकते अभी. So can you see that? This is what I have done so far. So like I showed previously, I have gone ahead and blended that shade into my crease on both my eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this blush by Blue Heaven. It's their shimmer matte blush, and this is how the shade looks like. I'm feeling kind of orangey today, toasty orangey today, so I'm going to use that shade. Now I haven't had a chance to even clean my makeup brushes. Can you just imagine? Like things have been very different right now. So I'm going to take a little bit of that color and I'm going to stamp it on my, the rest of the eyelid. Let's see how it turns out. So I'm simply looking into my mirror out here. Okay friends, so this is what I have achieved so far. It looks like very rusty brown and orangey kind of color. Now what I'm going to do is, from that same palette, I'm going to use the shimmery shade, and with my finger I'm going to apply it here in the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. Can you see that? I think it instantly transformed my look. Okay, so I'm happy with my makeup look so far. I think it doesn't look bad at all, and considering I'm doing my eye makeup after such a long time, I'm simply going to use some loose powder and I'm going to apply it here below my brow bone. Moving on, I'm going to fill my brows. For that I'm using the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer. I have already done a review of this on my channel. My shade is brown. I really like this product. It's not too greasy, it's not too dry. I think it's perfect and it's really great for filling the brows. And as you can see, I'm not blessed with very thick brows. I'm okay with that. I like the shape of my brows. What I simply do is I just fill the gaps, as you can see, and I like to keep it natural. So I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube and on Instagram when people are doing the soap brows trend. I just absolutely hate that. It looks terrible. I don't understand how people like that. I'm happy with just using a pencil. I think that way it looks more nice. Okay, so now that I've filled my brows, I'm going to take a spoolie and what I'm going to do is I'm going to even it out. So I'm just using any generic spoolie. I got this from Beauty Center for like 20 rupees. Yes, good old days. I can't wait to go back and buy some stuff from there. But I'm kind of bored, online shopping. सब कुछ नहीं मिलता है ऑनलाइन. Sometimes you find some hidden gems in the store. तो उसके लिए मुझे ब्यूटी सेंटर जाना पड़ेगा and I cannot wait. Alright, so the brows are done, the eyeshadow is done, and I'm not going to use eyeliner today. I'm simply going to use a kajal. This is the one I recently purchased. This is from Blue Heaven. It is their herbal kajal. So I have used this before. I really liked it and I thought why not give it a try again. Now they have changed the packaging. They have also changed the price. It was earlier for like 55 rupees and now it's for 70. So this is a swatch and I'm simply going to apply it like we apply kajal on the waterline. Alright friends, so I'm done with applying the kajal and I think it's decent, and I also went ahead and curled my lashes and applied mascara in order to save time. The mascara that I have used is this APK Waterproof Super Mascara. I think I'm in love with it. I really like it, and strangely not many people talk about it. I think it's only available online on blushpop.com, so you can check it out if you want to. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do my base makeup. Now for that I'm going to use foundation today. Which I normally don't use, but before I do that I think I should apply some primer. For the primer I'm going to use this one. It's called the APK primer. इतने टाइम से ये मेरे करेक्शन में है बट मैंने इसको यूज़ भी नहीं किया है. Shame on me, really, because look at the packaging, like oh my god, so nice. So this is like a silicone based primer. Like can you see that? Can see that? Yes. So it's a silicone based primer, really good for somebody like me who has a lot of pores. So I'm going to apply it here because this is a place I specifically have a lot of pores. Also here and here around my mouth. I think it's really nice. It's making my skin feel super smooth. That's what I like about that's what I like in a face primer. Alright, so the next thing I have applied on my face is foundation. In order to save time, I have used the L18 Lasting Glow foundation. It looks pretty yellow on camera, but it's not that bad. It suits me kind of decently. मैंने इसका पूरा review किया है मेरे YouTube channel पे. I'm simply going to blend it in my skin, and I'm using my brush for the same. Now this foundation, if you have dry skin, it was for you because it will really cling to your dry patches. So I would suggest you to use a good moisturizer. If you want to watch an in-depth review, I have already done this on my channel. Like, it has got a decent amount of views as well, because I think everybody loves L18 foundation, and I like it too. But इसमें थोड़ा आपको ये करना पड़ता है, एफर्ट करना पड़ता है ब्लेंड करने के लिए. Now I have done the blending with a brush. Now I'm simply going to take my beauty sponge जिसको मैंने डैम्प किया है, and I'm simply going to bounce it on my skin so that it looks more natural. I think this is a technique I'm learning from other fellow influencers and makeup artists, because I watch a lot of beauty videos. Although मैं makeup इतना नहीं लगाती हूँ because practically it's not possible for me. So it has kind of evened out my complexion, but my dark circles are really looking terrible, and I have no explanation as to why they are so dark. I think light में सबको problem है, I know दिख जाता है आँखों के नीचे. So I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, I really cut my hair way too short. I think this is a length I prefer. I have tried cutting my hair during the pandemic, and I think I made a mess out of it, because when I went to the beautician to get my hair trimmed and shaped, I could clearly see there were a lot of layers inside, and it was looking terrible. So I think since the last two appointments, I have been going to a beauty parlor or a salon, whatever you want to call it, and I've just been trimming my hair, and I'm happy with it. I think this way it looks much better. This is a haircut which suits me. Also, I have had terrible hair fall, like insane amount of hair falling off my head, and I really had a patch kind of. Even now I have scanty hair. I think I have had issue with hair fall over the years, and after I developed thyroid, it has always been the same. So the whole point of cutting my hair short is मतलब हेयर कट आप हेयर कट जब करते हो, if you make it short, it doesn't mean that you will not have hair fall. It only means that it will be more manageable. I think people have a misconception about it, so I just wanted to clear it out. Also, I have an oily scalp, and I easily get dandruff and stuff. I think dandruff is the worst thing for your hair and your skin, so you should always be vigilant about it, because that could really really take a lot of hair off from your head, and you end up looking a little bit bald. Now I have an issue, and that's the reason why I have hair fall. I'm sure everybody doesn't have thyroid, so take care of your hair is all I can say. So this is what I've achieved so far. I'm going to use my loose powder. Now this is the Spins BB talc, and I have put it in a container to make life easy for me. ये आपको chemist के shop में भी मिल जाएगा. I have done a review on this on my channel, I think almost 3 years ago, I would say, and those kind of videos get a lot of views. So if you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch it. I think I've also done one with the BB cream. I like this powder. The only drawback about this powder, it smells like sabun, like soap, but I think it still does a good job. You can use it like how we have been using Pond's powder on our face. मतलब बचपन से हम लोग ऐसे use करते थे. But I would suggest you, if you have a brush, to go ahead and lightly dust it on your face. Alright, moving on, I'm going to use this blush from Blue Heaven. Now it's a very orangey, peachy kind of shade, and I'm simply going to apply it on my cheeks. Now I already went and applied highlighter before I could apply this, and I'm just going to show you in a bit what I have applied. Now for my highlighter, I used the same palette which I used from which I used that eyeshadow as a transition color, and this is the shade I used, the first one at the bottom. I also went and applied a lipstick, and that lipstick is from Blue Heaven. Now it is called their Intense Matte Lipstick, and it is in the shade Pink Frost 305. So this is how it looks like, and this is the shade number, and this is how it looks like. Now I did apply a little bit on my lips, and I blotted it, and honestly this shade will not suit somebody who's of a deeper skin color. However, if you like these kind of shades, definitely go for it. I'm not saying that certain shades ये skin को suit नहीं करेगा. I think it's a personal choice, but on me I think it looks decent, and I really like the makeup look. So yes, this is the makeup look that I have come up with. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. I'm really pleased with this makeup look. What do you guys think? I think it doesn't look bad at all. I'm really liking the pink lipstick, like the way it looks on camera as well. It's pretty light, but I think it suits my complexion. Now during the course of this videos, I didn't mention many things, and that was the whole point of this video, because otherwise how do I mention in a different review video? So a lot of things have happened, things have changed. I'm trying to adjust to this new life, and I'm trying to figure out how to film videos. I'm not sure how long I would do it, because kal kya hoga, we never know, what is going to happen. Things can change drastically overnight. So whatever it is, I will keep you guys updated. I have also not been very active on Instagram. I am not sure what I should post there. It becomes very difficult for me to sit with a tripod and film reels, because now the bar has been raised really high. It's not that you literally sit with a camera and kuch bhi matlab record karo. People actually dress up, use ring light, and I don't know how do they manage it. For now, I had posted a reel and a YouTube short, which was like a mini vlog, because I went out after literally 2 to 3 months, and I really felt nice. I felt very different, and I'm just hoping that by December this COVID thing ends, because I think बहुत हो गया अभी, कंटाला आने लगा है. Like you feel like I feel like I'm missing my freedom of going out, interacting with other people, and I feel like I'm stuck in the house. So I hope everything comes together, and things get better for all of us. These were the things I wanted to mention in the video. I hope you like my makeup look, and let me know in the comment section down below how are you guys doing and what kind of videos you would like me to film. If it's possible, I definitely would do that. For now, I thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.